next question is, what have you learned while working on Upwork or for Upwork? So, I don't work for Upwork. I work with companies that I find on Upwork. So, what I tend is really what I've learned the most, I think, through Upwork is just that experience and, working with different clients and seeing the nuances of the project and willing to go beyond like my current skill set almost by 10 to 15% on every job that I take on. So, I don't want to take on something that I have no understanding in completely and just, risk not being able to handle the project and getting stuck, right? Like I need to know enough that I know what I need to learn or concentrate on. So I think that's like a difference, right? Like I'm not going into something completely blind, but I am maybe, for instance, okay, a lot of clients are asking me to do like chatbots and things like that. And, that's not my strong suit. However, I know that people need this stuff. And I think that if someone was to kind of push me through it, I'd take or hire me for that specific thing. I would be willing to be like, okay, I'm going to like take some really, maybe spend a couple nights and build out some really crazy simulations and get a handle on it and then bang this project out of the park. And I know that if I learn how to do that stuff and have some examples to show, then I'm able to then, okay, use that for my advantage and be like, okay, now I have these new skills and blah, blah, blah. And that's going to help, I think, my overall experience. So what I've learned is to keep doing that and probably, apply that 10 to 15% rule on all the different projects that you're willing to take on. Don't get stuck into any one little area on Upwork. Try and expand beyond that. And I think that it will be fruitful over time. And you'll find that your client lists get better and better. And you become more knowledgeable. You know how to approach different clients properly. You'll learn. One of the big things I've learned too is just having confidence in my own sales process for myself, and that with Upwork's help became relatively easy because you don't have to write your own testimonials, or it could be like fake stuff. It's like a nice objective review system that enables clients to just read that instead of having to go through and ask you everything. And develop that trust, immediately versus like someone that can see all your past accomplishments, see that people are really happy with your work. So that's another huge thing I learned, that it can be a lot easier as far as the sales process by leveraging these online platforms and things like that. So, there's tons I've learned on there. I'll probably think of more and list these out, but man, one of the big things is just keep learning, right? I've learned to keep learning. Like I've learned that your skill set is a dynamic thing and doesn't define you. It defines you maybe currently, but people do a lot of different things and you shouldn't be scared of being one of those people. You can learn more. You can do multiple things. So good luck. Hope that answers that question, and thanks for the question.